A journey into the deep sky. Embark on a mesmerizing voyage into the deep sky. Witness the celestial art and the glowing ghosts of dying stars. Dumbbell Nebula, M27. The first planetary nebula ever found. It looks like a glowing hourglass. Little Dumbbell, M76, the tiny, mysterious twin, a true test for any stargazer. M97. Look for the two dark eyes staring back at you from the void. This Butterfly M2-9 is a twin-jet nebula. Unlike a normal butterfly, its wings are actually twin jets of gas blowing out from a binary star system at speeds of over 320 kilometers per second. Eskimo Nebula, NGC 2392, resembles a tiny face wrapped in a fluffy, glowing parka hood. Southern Ring, NGC 3132, a masterpiece of dust and light, famously captured by the James Webb Telescope. Ghost of Jupiter, NGC 3242, a pale blue bubble that haunts the sky, mimicking the shape of a planet. Blue Planetary, NGC 3918, the most brilliant blue jewel in the southern celestial hemisphere. Butterfly Nebula, NGC 6302, features delicate gas wings heated to a staggering 250,000 degrees Celsius. The Red Spider Nebula, NGC 6537, is home to one of the most powerful stellar winds ever recorded. These winds create massive gas waves that are 100 billion kilometers high, making it one of the most turbulent places in the galaxy. most complex structures known, featuring concentric rings like an onion. Glowing eye, NGC 6751, a celestial iris with a hot, violent star acting as its pupil. Blinking planetary, NGC 6826, a magic object that appears to blink when you shift your gaze. Saturn Nebula, NGC 7009, named for its strange handles that make it look just like the ringed planet. NGC 7027 is one of the youngest and brightest planetary nebulae. It is famous because scientists discovered helium hydride there, the very first type of molecule to ever form in the universe after the Big Bang. Able 39, a ghost-like, perfectly transparent sphere, nature's version of a giant bubble. Minkowski's Butterfly, a twin-jet nebula where gas shoots out like a cosmic bow tie. Nebula, MZ3, a bizarre structure that looks exactly like the head and body of an ant. Nebula is nicknamed the Rotten Egg Nebula because it contains a large amount of sulfur. If you could visit it, it would smell exactly like a rotten egg. The gas here is crashing together at speeds of up to 1.5 million kilometers per hour. Red rectangle, a geometric mystery, one of the few objects in space that looks like a perfect X. Nebula, M1, the debris of a massive explosion seen on Earth nearly 1,000 years ago. M2, M3, M5, gigantic snowballs of hundreds of thousands of ancient stars. M2, M3, M5, gigantic snowballs of hundreds of thousands of ancient stars. M2, M3, M5, gigantic snowballs of hundreds of thousands of ancient stars. M4, one of our nearest neighbors, a gateway to the oldest stars in our galaxy. Butterfly Cluster, M6, a young group of stars tracing the elegant shape of a butterfly's wings. Cluster, M7, a bright cluster so large that even ancient astronomers saw it with the naked eye. The Lagoon Nebula, M8, is a gigantic interstellar cloud where new stars are being born right now. It is so large and bright that it can be seen with the naked eye from a dark location, appearing as a faint, glowing patch in the heart of the Milky Way. M9 is one of the closest globular clusters to the center of our galaxy. It contains about 250,000 stars and is heavily dimmed by interstellar dust clouds that block much of its natural starlight. M10 is a stunning globular cluster that appears very bright and dense at its core. It is a favorite for backyard astronomers because its thousands of stars can be easily resolved even with a medium-sized telescope. M11, a dense gathering of stars that looks like a flock of ducks in flight. M12 is known as a relaxed globular cluster because its stars are not tightly packed in the center. Interestingly, it has lost about 1 million stars over its lifetime due to the strong gravitational pull of our Milky Way galaxy. Hercules Cluster, M13, the king of clusters, containing 500,000 stars in a tight ball. M14 is a massive globular cluster that shines with the light of hundreds of thousands of stars. It is famous for hosting a nova explosion in 1938, a rare event where a star suddenly brightened, leaving a historical mark for astronomers. Hercules Cluster, M15, one of the oldest objects in the universe, possibly hiding a black hole. Ethereal Nebula, M16, the legendary home of the Pillars of Creation. Omega Swan Nebula, M17, a bright, churning factory producing some of the heaviest stars. M18 is a small and young open cluster tucked between two of the sky's greatest nebulae, Omega and Sagittarius. Its bright blue stars are only about 32 million years old, making them newborns in cosmic time. M19 is the most elongated globular cluster in the sky. Its unusual oval shape is caused by its extreme closeness to the center of our galaxy, where strong gravity literally stretches the cluster out. Nebula, M20, a rare beauty divided into three parts by dark cosmic dust. 1.6 million years old and is often photographed alongside the Trifid Nebula because they sit so close together in the sky. M22 is one of the brightest globular clusters visible from Earth. It is famous for being the very first globular cluster ever discovered in 1665, and is unique because it hosts two rare stellar mass black holes within its swarm of stars. M23 is a sprawling open cluster containing about 150 stars. It is widely considered one of the most beautiful open clusters for small telescopes, appearing as a glittering fan of stars spread across the sky. M24 is not a single cluster, but a tunnel or a window through the thick cosmic dust of our galaxy. It allows us to see thousands of stars located 10,000 light years away in a different spiral arm of the Milky Way. M25 is a large open cluster that is special because it contains a Cepheid variable star. These stars act like cosmic measuring tapes, helping astronomers calculate the vast distances between objects in our galaxy. M26 is a compact open cluster that appears to have a hole or a dark gap in its center. This is actually an obscuring cloud of cosmic dust that blocks the light of the stars sitting right in the middle of the cluster.